What's up everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So today's topic that I'm going to talk on is something that I never thought I would ever open this topic, but finally I had to, because few days back I read an article where a lot of people are going under depression because of because they have lost their jobs, their businesses have shut down completely, and they're in deep depression. Okay, why am I again talking on this topic? Because I was on the same boat. Okay, as you guys knew, like for past 2 years I was running a business and I quit my job and I started my own business, and there were a lot of good and bad things that happened in these 2 years. Especially, I wanted to share my lockdown journey till now, like how it's been affected on my business, how things have been badly affected as well, and how will I come back. I mean, I was really not doing good, but I would definitely share that on the go. Right now I need to go to Reliance Digital because I need to get a laptop. My laptop has crashed completely. I'm without a laptop for like many days. It's been months. So let's go check out some good laptops right now, and then on the go I'll share my story, my lockdown journey till date, and how this lockdown has been, like, it has a had a bad impact on me. How did I come back? Okay, so let's go, get on the bike, and I'll tell you my journey of my during this lockdown period, and a lot of things that happened during this lockdown. So let's go. Okay, so the mic had some issues, कुछ problem थे mic में, so that's why I have to give a voice over now. So basically I was sharing my journey, like, of my lockdown, कि कैसा था मेरा business and what happened during the lockdown, and why did I shut my food joint, the business which I had for last 2 years. So basically everyone can, like, I know so many people have told me कि there are so many other like food businesses जो already sustain कर रहे थे, and why I couldn't sustain. Obviously they are big brands, okay, I'm not saying no about that, but the thing is, it was a new brand for me. Just 2 साल हुए थे, somehow we were sustaining, and this lockdown had made a very big impact, because all of a sudden everything was dropping down. There were rarely any footfalls, and उससे क्या हो रहा था, we couldn't make profits, not even profits, जो expenses थे, it was not even meeting those expenses. So that is why we had to take a decision and we had to shut down. It's not within a month, it was from like past few months we were facing major losses, and then this corona thing started up and we end up huge loss, and it was not a easy decision to take, pretty difficult one, but then had to take it. You have to think logically. Yeah, there were emotional attachments to that shop, emotional attachment towards the business, but then I had to take a call. So right now I'm just going through that place where jidhar mera shop tha, where my shop was. I'm just taking to that place and I'll show you. So this place where my shop is located is in Mulund. Mulund, if people know Sarvodaya, so yeah, that's quite famous space over there. So it was a good small joint called Synergy Food Hub. If you go on Instagram and just type Synergy Food Hub, you will come to know about it. So we served all fast food items over here, like fries, burgers, sandwiches, Maggies, cold coffees, ice creams, and all that stuff. Yes. So there, which you can see that Synergy name, that was the shop that we had. So it was a cool joint, a small cool joint where people come and chilled over there and had a good gala time. So yeah, so that's what I was saying. So the main motto of telling you my story is कि बहुत सारे businesses, बहुत सारे लोग जो business people थे, बहुत सारे जो job करने वाले लोग हैं, they have lost their jobs. Okay, obviously बहुत जिसको jobs भी है, they're getting a 25% cut in their salary, and they're getting it. See, for the people who still have their jobs or have their business running and sustaining, that's a good thing. But this video is especially for those people who have lost their jobs or had to shut down their business. I can totally understand कि what you guys are going through. Okay, depression है, I'm not saying no, definitely रहेगा, because आपके बोलते हैं ना, एक thing है कि like how will you sustain आगे, you need money to survive, right? So I totally understand that. See, being depressed right now wouldn't help, okay? But you have to move smartly. You need to see which is the next thing or what is the next thing that you can do. आप क्या कर सकते हो अलग, okay? घर पे बैठे बैठे you won't get money, okay? There is no shortcut to earn money. You have to slog your ass out, okay? You have to, आपको मेहनत करना पड़ेगा. Let it be business, let it be a job, you have to work out. If you guys are good in something, make that a mode of income, okay? This is the right time to learn a new skill. This is the right time to develop something, okay? ये सही मौका है कि आप कुछ अलग ट्राई करिए. ये सही मौका है कि आप अपना जो स्किल्स है उसे अपना एक बिजनेस मॉडल बना लीजिए. If you're good in cooking, work from home. If you're good in digital firm, start your own digital marketing, okay? If you're good in talking to people, start taking classes. अगर आपको लगता है कि आप इंस्ट्रूमेंट सीख के अच्छा कर सकते हो, learn an instrument and then start taking classes. There are a lot of means where a person can do. ऐसा कोई इंसान नहीं रहेगा जिसके पास जिसको कुछ आता नहीं है अलग से, okay? Why we do a job is basically where we get a fixed salary, but side by side we definitely do something, our passion, right? So this is the time for the people who have lost their jobs or people have shut down the businesses. This is the right time. What is your passion, what is your hobby, turn that into business. Sit down, jot down कि like how you can turn your hobby or passion into a business, okay? If there is any other means कि like चलो अगर मैं ये करूँ तो शायद हो जाए, ओके ना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने क्या किया, मैंने R&D रिसर्च किया कि लाइक आई वॉज गुड इन समथिंग, ओके? सो आई स्टार्टेड दैट. मैंने वो शुरू कर लिया है, ओके? यू जस्ट कैन सेट. आई ऑब्वियसली मैं भी डिप्रेस था, मेरे को भी बहुत बोलते ना एकदम वियर्ड थॉट्स आ रहे थे कि लाइक नहीं आई एम, बोलते ना एक यूजलेस टाइप फील हो रहा था, बट नहीं. I got up, I was good in something. I will share with you all like what I was good in, what I am good in basically, and how I made that into my business model. Okay, but I want to tell you all like this is the right time. Learn a skill. एक skill सीख लो, एक language सीख लो, और get on the web, do your R&D and turn into a business model. I understand you are depressed, but let not this depression take over you, because it's very difficult to come out of a depression. Okay, so yeah, so what business I was doing, what I am doing right now is something, not something that different, but this is something which I was doing it from a pretty long time. So basically I started my own car and bike cleaning and polishing service where, because मैं अपने खुद के गाड़ी clean polish करता था, so I have a basic knowledge, a pretty good knowledge I'll say. मेरे को अच्छा खासा knowledge है इसके बारे में. So मैंने खुद start किया है, okay? It's the name is Shalom Motor Spa. If you go on Instagram and Facebook, you will find that page. I will put the link in the description box below. You can go and check it out. So I've turned my liking. I really love to do it, okay? I really love clean car. Like जब एक गाड़ी चमकती है ना, I love it. So मैं अपने कार को करता था, तो यही मेरे दिमाग में था, if I can give the same feeling to someone else. I mean like public बाहर जाके खड़े रह के साफ़ करवाते हैं, इससे अच्छा है right now is the time where people have to be at home. So what I do is we do a door to door service. Again this is something I've started on my own. ये मैंने खुद से start किया है. So what we do is हम लोग बिल्डिंग में जाते हैं, उनका कार को completely clean करके we polish that car up. So it gives a brand new feeling, okay? We are not into height and detailing, but a basic cleaning and polishing for that thing. So this was a business which I started at a very small scale. This was something I loved doing it, and I turned that into a business model. Now today I have good number of cars and bikes that I have done. The people loved my work. I never knew, मेरे को कभी लगा नहीं था कि पब्लिक को मेरा ये काम पसंद आएगा, बट मैंने हाथ डाला, थोड़ा हाथ जला स्टार्टिंग में, बट सीखा, और वो सीख के आज पब्लिक को मेरा काम इतना पसंद है कि दे गिव रेफरेंस अहेड, okay? So I'm not saying whatever you do, any business you do, big or small, irrelevant of that, if you are proud of your work, अगर आप खुद के काम को बोलते हैं ना अच्छा, like आप अच्छा मानते हो, you're proud of your work basically, you will love it, you will love doing it, And then when you are proud of your work, there is no harm.
And one thing, okay, life will show you ups and downs. It's the way how you get up. Okay, आप जरूर नीचे गिरोगे. Every business cannot be successful. You will fall, but it's the thing, how do you get up? Even in workspace, there will be a lot of pressure. Okay, you will think that you need to leave your job and all that kind of stuff. But understand, even if you leave or you're kicked out of your job, it's not the end of the time. Okay, it's not that कि like अब सब कुछ खत्म हो गया. नहीं, you have to get up. You will fall. You need to get up. अगर आप चलते चलते गिरते हो, आप रुकोगे नहीं, right? आप उठोगे और चलोगे. In the same way, this time of lockdown or whatever you say, I mean like this pandemic, which was not planned. Okay, हो गया. ये लोग गिरे, उठो और चलो, रोके कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं है. Okay, maybe वो struggle किया. Even I went through that same struggle. I know that pressure. Depression is not the thing. Depression will lead to unwanted thoughts, which is not good. And unwanted thoughts at this time can harm you and your family, I'll say. Okay, so I would just end by saying you need to take care, make wise decisions. Don't make any kind of foolish decisions. Take the right choice, consult your friends, consult your family, talk to someone who is into that line which you want to start your business or work into, and see how it can go. Depression is not right. Talk out to people. If you're depressed, talk to them so that they can guide you. Okay? At the end, I would just say, take care, guys, and always make wise decisions. Okay? Take care of yourself, take care of your family. Always remember to ride with your helmets on and buckle up when you drive. Take care, guys. God bless you all. I'll see you all soon in the upcoming vlogs. Taras.